Bad things happen to good people every day, but when they happen to children, it affects us all. A pivotal study called Adverse Childhood Experiences has changed the way the family tree approaches child abuse prevention. The science is clear that childhood trauma, ranging from substance abuse, domestic violence, and harsh discipline, and even divorce, can have a damaging effect on the developing brains and bodies of children. According to the Academy of Pediatrics, it's the single greatest unaddressed public health issue of our time. And it's not just something you get over as you grow up. Stress sets off an alarm system in our bodies, flooding us with adrenaline and cortisol. But what happens if you can't turn that off? That's toxic stress. We now know that the impact of childhood toxic stress unfolds across a lifetime. And when those children grow up and become parents, they often pass their negative experiences on to the next generation. Whether or not you've experienced childhood trauma yourself, each of us is paying for it. In the laws you follow, the taxes you pay, community violence you face, and productivity losses you experience from employees or colleagues. It can be a vicious cycle, but it doesn't have to be. Fortunately, there's hope. Adverse childhood experiences can be prevented and their impact lessened. Every day, the family tree works at the forefront of this issue, providing proven solutions to reduce family stress and help parents learn to make positive choices. The family tree leads Maryland in preventing child abuse, connects caring communities, and builds strong families to improve society for generations. We help parents build safe, stable, nurturing relationships and environments for their children, which is proven to prevent adversity. We nurture hope where there may be none and give it room to grow. We don't tell parents what to do, we instill motivation to do better. Our vision is that all children are raised in safe, supportive families and communities, and we do that through research-based programs that strengthen families and break the cycle of child abuse and neglect. Through parent education, public policy, and community outreach, we create powerful changes in families that grow outward to positively impact their community and our state. And it works. We keep families together and children out of the system. Join us in creating positive childhoods and resilient families. The Adverse Childhood Experience Study marks a defining shift in the fight against child abuse and neglect. The family tree has an array of programs to help families stop childhood trauma before it starts and end it where it exists.